Are you a serious sports player? Are you active? Football headbands are a must-have. They are what you need when you're sweating, doing vigorous sport. Like, let me explain why. First thing, they keep your hair out of your face. Yeah, can you imagine playing football and there's your side vision is blurred because the hair's all there, you know, all those flyaways, those little hairs that come through. This stops that. It stops it completely. You are good to go. Yeah. Second one, you don't want your hair getting in the way, especially for footballers with tackles and headers and all these sorts. Like, can you imagine the hair? Oh, it's painful when your hair, you know, someone pulls on that hair or gets hold of something, you pull your hair out. Like, you need this. You need this, footballers. Come on, you need this for men and women. It's not only for women, men as well. Thirdly, it absorbs sweat. Your sweat is absorbed by the cloth, and so it's not dripping down your face while you're running. I must say, you do need to make sure you know which material to get, because some are better absorbents of water than others. So I would say polyester or nylon. Nylon are the best, yeah. And fourthly, it actually keeps you cool. I didn't know this, and comfortable during games. So you're not worrying about, oh, my hair's like this, my hair's in the way. During the winter months, woolly ones are perfect. They can keep your ears warm and head during those cold days. When it's hot, perfect. You get the polyester ones and nylon ones. When it's cold, you get the woolen ones. Now, how do you know which headband to choose? There are different sizes, so you want to get one that's not too tight to cause you a headache, but not too loose to fall off. So go and choose the right one. I say experiment with different styles. There's so many different styles. Try out different ones and choose the best one that suits you. You feel comfortable with, you feel, yeah, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing something, you know. It should be just part of you rather than, oh, I gotta put a headband on. And you look good at the same time. Now, where can you get these headbands? Obviously at a sports shop, but Amazon also have a great range. They're great at this. Now, men's football headbands and hairbands are pretty much the same as women for football. So you're good, man, you're good. However, you do find they don't last very long. So after a few washes, they're not so good. So I suggest getting a few. And can I just say, please wash them because they smell. You are sweating, it's intense. Wash your hairbands. Your scalp will thank you, your hair will thank you, your players will thank you, your partner will thank you, like the people you walk past will thank you. There's some with this elastic grip. Woo, it can smell. So, you know, just get a few, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. As a footballer, do you really want to know how much they cost? You earn more than enough money. More than me by a long shot. A long shot. Especially you men. Watch my video just before this. You can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's another story for another day. Somewhere between 5 and 15 quid. 15 pounds. You know, they range. They're not digging into your pockets at all. So you can buy a few. I must say, you can get branded ones, you know, all the Adidas, Nike, whatever, but they don't last any longer, rarely, than the standard ones you get from Amazon. So that's what I hear anyway. I haven't actually gone and bought a branded one to try it myself, but generally speaking, this is what I've read. How do you look after these headbands? Obviously, 1, wash it regularly. 2, dry it properly, air dry it, yeah, so you get all the smells out. And 3, store it properly. So, okay, that's it. That's all the tips I have on a headband. This isn't only for football, this is for any sport, obviously. Go exercise, sort yourselves out, and look pretty at the same time. Thanks for watching. Curls by Sharlene. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.